Imagine the freedom of being able to go anywhere and mix your favorite protein shakes, cocktails, baby formula, or mixed drink without the limitations of a regular blender. No longer will you have to manually mix your favorite drinks. Benefits: quick and powerful, the electric protein shaker will whip up your drinks in no time. Simply add liquid, turn on and wait for the vortex to form, then add your protein powder, supplements, or mixers and you're done. Portable and easy, the detachable motor and USB rechargeable battery mean you can take and use this mixer anywhere. Once detached, makes a lightweight standalone bottle. Leak-proof, our one-twist secure lock lid saves you from any messes while you're out and about, guaranteed. Safe and durable, quality stainless steel and BPA-free acrylic means you'll stay stylish and safe using this mixer for many years to come. Versatile, mix protein, supplements, shakes, baby formula, scrambled eggs, pancake batter, juices, beverages, and more.